Hello and welcome to Concordia University of Edmonton's virtual open house. My name is Dr. Tim Loreman and I am proud to be the President and Vice Chancellor of Concordia. It's a role that gives me the opportunity to work directly with our dedicated team of faculty and staff and of course our students. Now before we begin, I would like to acknowledge that Concordia is located on Treaty 6 territory and respects the histories, languages and cultures of the Indigenous peoples of Canada, whose presence continues to enrich our vibrant community. I'd also like to acknowledge the team that helped put together today's virtual open house, as well as my fellow presenters and all of you for being here. These are challenging times. COVID-19 has changed how we interact with one another, and much like other post-secondary institutions and businesses, we've been forced to make some very difficult decisions to continue our operations safely. It hasn't been easy, but as a community, we've found ways of connecting and we've shown tremendous resiliency in the face of uncertainty. And while this is not how I envisioned today's open house, I'm grateful to have the opportunity to meet and address you despite the distance between us. As prospective students, you are preparing to embark on an exciting adventure and have a number of big decisions to make in the coming months. You may be feeling nervous or excited or completely overwhelmed. All of those feelings are valid, especially right now. But trust that whatever path you choose to take will be the right one for you. And if you choose a path that leads to Concordia, we'll be here with you every step of the way. Concordia is a special place. If you've ever had the opportunity to walk around our campus and wander through our halls, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. We do things differently here. We put people first, we take time to connect and collaborate with one another, and we foster a culture that prioritizes wellness, curiosity, and active citizenship. We're a small university, but make no mistake, we are committed to having a big impact locally, nationally, and globally. We're a place for spirit and discovery, where our students are welcome to bring their full selves. No matter who you are or where you're from, there's a place for you here at Concordia. Our ambition is to be Canada's preeminent small university, and we've taken numerous steps in recent years towards realising that potential. In addition to offering best-in-class undergraduate programs, we offer exciting graduate and after-degree programs, as well as a range of non-credit courses to build in-demand skills. We pride ourselves on offering an academic experience that extends beyond the classroom, and we've been focused on creating opportunities for students to engage directly with industry and stakeholders through our Centre for Innovation and Applied Research, our Centre for Applied Artificial Intelligence, and our Centre for Applied Renewable Energy. We're also continuing to deepen our relationship with Indigenous communities, and we're dedicated to providing Indigenous and non-Indigenous students with social and scientific research opportunities through our Indigenous Knowledge and Research Centre. We want to equip our students with the tools they need to make an impact, no matter what they decide to do after graduation. But at the same time, we understand that it's equally important to ensure that students feel supported and valued throughout their time at Concordia. Our students are at the centre of everything we do. We offer personalised experience that prioritises the needs and fosters a community that is both inclusive and kind. And those who choose to come here form lifelong bonds with those they encounter during their studies, be they other students, professors, or staff members. We understand that no two students are the same, and we're committed to doing whatever we can to ensure both your personal and academic success. You'll hear more about what we offer from my colleagues throughout today's open house, but to put it simply, we are a community that cares, and our community is to do what we can to ensure we are able to thrive and that you are able to thrive throughout your time here at Concordia. Now, before I finish up, I want to address the elephant in the virtual room, which of course is something we've all been dealing with for the past 18 months, which is the COVID-19 pandemic. You may be wondering how COVID-19 will impact your education and if we will be able to function as we had in the past in the near future. Well, while I cannot offer any certainties, I can promise you this. As the situation evolves, we will continue to prioritize the health and safety of our community and the personal and academic success of our students. Whatever this pandemic has in store, it has and will be met with a common sense set of decisions from a university that knows who it is and understands its core mission of preparing students to be independent thinkers, ethical leaders, and citizens for the common good. So thank you so much for joining us today. I sincerely look forward to meeting you in person, and I wish you and your loved ones health, happiness, and all the success in the world.